Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to recover Apple ID password without phone number. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're facing the issue that your Apple ID password has been lost and you want to recover that without your phone number, so let's see how can you do this very easily. So now to fix that, you have a simple way. You just have to open the settings app here and then tap on your Apple ID here. And here you just have to tap on sign in and security. And here you just have to tap on the change password option. Now you have to wait for the security delay, and once security delay has been ended, you have to change your password with just a simple step. You have to enter your new password in upper section and then re-enter that in lower section. After that, tap on change and your Apple ID password will be successfully changed without your phone number. So, but you have to make sure that your email or Gmail ID has been logged into your iPhone or any or other phone which you have access. And after that, it might be you have to verify yourself using that, and your Apple ID password will be successfully changed in this step. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.